Hello everyone, friends. On the channel, I will show you how to register on Steam. To do this, go to any browser. You cannot in the browser, you can download the client. But I've already made a move here. Therefore, we write Steam. Go to the site, click on the login button and click on the create account button. Next, enter your email address here. I use this purely for video, that is, as an example, and click next. Accordingly, then go to the email address. So accordingly click on this button. We verify the email address and accordingly click next. So we come up with a nickname for ourselves, come up with a password, yes, and click done. That's it. Well, you have created an account for yourself. That's all. With you is like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.